What's up, guys? How you guys doing today? Welcome back to the channel. You're gonna see me much. There we go. That's all that matters. Welcome to my room, my new room, in our new house. So today we're gonna be unboxing this brand new tripod I got, and it is a Sunpack Travel 50 Smart 50-inch tripod. So we're just going to go ahead and unbox it. Ignore that. Pretty cool. Comes with a little carrying pack. That's very, very awesome. So let's go ahead. Oh my gosh, this thing smells so good. Woo! Wow, this is nice. Okay, made it a little hard and decided to follow along with the wrapper. But yeah, that's pretty cool that they have. They gave me a little smartphone thing because I have a green one, so that's cool. Yeah, so it's pretty cool. I didn't realize it. Oh, I have no idea what this is. I've never seen anything like this before, but that's cool. So yeah, let's go ahead and let's get this out. Oh, oh, here's some scissors. I was about ready to pause the video and alright, so let's go ahead and... So this is a 50-foot, so I can put these out. It's a little small, but that's okay. Because my camera... Oh. So I guess, is this thing to... Up, yep. Now so you can actually go farther than this. Then if you want to make your videos, if you want to like other videos higher, you can. They have optionals for your legs. So about like this much will be like a perfect fit for my phone. So we're gonna go ahead and put you guys on here. So actually no, I'll wait for a while. But yeah, this is a pretty cool tripod. We're gonna unloosen this thing real quick, so we can get all the way up there. So yeah, it's pretty cool. And then of course, if you want to do it all the way, you can extend the little legs out. So this will be like me when I go record Sirens for my other channel, Warring Sirens of Kentuckyana. So yeah, I'll go ahead and show you guys what it looks like when it's fully extended up. So here's what it looks like, fully extended. So for recordings, I'll make sure I just have it like up, so I can get the siren and other stuff too, like trains. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I like this already. I'm very happy it came with that carrying case. Sorry for that. Yeah, the legs are very, very sturdy. I know, right? And the thing is, I don't know exactly what this is for, but if you guys know in the comments, let me know. But yeah. I think it's for, I don't know.
I don't know. It's probably for this thing to like prop them up or something. I don't know.
I have no clue either. But I'm still surprised they gave me another thing for smartphones. So I have two. So in case this one breaks, I can use this one.
That's neat.
But yeah. So very happy they gave me a carrying case for this too as well. But yeah, it's pretty cool. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing of it. I know it wasn't much, but I'm very happy I got it. Hope you guys enjoy it. Comment, like, and subscribe. And also subscribe to my other channel, Warning Sirens of Kentuckyana. That's where I'm going to be making my siren videos. I'm not going to do them on my main channel anymore. I'm going to do them on that channel. So subscribe for that. Subscribe to that channel.
That thing's a GoPro adapter.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, it's a GoPro adapter.
Oh, okay. Well, there you go, guys. I guess it's a GoPro adapter thing. Yeah, well, till next time, guys. Hey, y'all have a great day, and I'll see y'all later. Peace out, Luigi's.